Let's take a look at what $4 million gets you in Toronto. Spoiler alert, it's not just a condo, it's a lifestyle. Welcome to the Aqualina Penthouse. Step into over 3,000 square feet of elevated living. Every corner of this space is flooded with natural light thanks to stunning floor-to-ceiling windows framing panoramic views of Lake Ontario and the city skyline. The kitchen is all about luxury and precision. With built-in European appliances and sleek custom cabinetry, this space is designed for entertaining and effortless living. Now, here's where the magic happens. A private rooftop terrace with your own outdoor kitchen. Whether it's sunset dinners or rooftop cocktails, this terrace redefines outdoor living. The primary suite is where elegance meets comfort. Start your mornings with sunrise views, relax in a spa-inspired ensuite, and enjoy a walk-in closet fit for the elite. Ready to live the $4 million Toronto dream? Experience the Aqualina Penthouse. Your luxury lifestyle starts here.